Creating a social media marketing plan for your food business. Creating a comprehensive social media marketing plan for your food business can be overwhelming, but it's essential to success. This video will share strategies for food business to set goals and develop tactics for strategies and implement the right social media marketing strategies. 1. Identify your target market. Social media platforms allow food businesses to connect with a wide audience of their target market and track the success of their marketing campaigns. You can identify your target market as a food business by analyzing 4 factors: demographics, lifestyle, interests, and behaviors. If you can't identify your business, consider these alternative ways to identify your target market. You could also look at how your potential customers interact with similar brands on social media. Once you have identified your target market, creating content that resonates with them is important. Food businesses can use social media to create relationships with their target market, increasing loyalty among the consumer base and making it easier for them to recommend your business to others. Finally, using social media platforms allows food businesses to promote their brands and sell the single items or full menus they offer. 2. Choose a social media platform. There are many different social media platforms to choose from, and each can be better suited for a particular type of business. Different social media platforms work better for different types of businesses. Using multiple platforms allows you to tap into a wider range of potential customers. Here are a few common social media platforms for your consideration. Instagram can be a powerful tool for food businesses. 1. Use Instagram to showcase your menu and dish photos. This will help you attract more customers and remind customers. 2. Use Instagram as a marketing platform. By regularly posting new specials, discounts, or events related to your food business, you can attract new customers and keep them updated on your latest happenings. 3. Use hashtags to increase exposure for your posts. By including relevant hashtags in each post, you can help people find related content and connect with like-minded individuals who might be interested in your work. 4. Use Instagram stories and reels to create a more interactive customer experience. By including short, visually striking videos in each story, you can keep them engaged and entertained while they're browsing through your feed. Facebook. You could post regular updates about your food business on your page and use ads targeting people in specific demographics. Pinterest. Pinterest is great for finding inspiration and ideas for your food business. Use it to stock your kitchen with recipes, find suppliers of specific ingredients, or even learn about new trends in the culinary world. One of the best ways to get started with Pinterest is by using boards that focus on a specific topic or cuisine. This will allow you to build an audience around your particular interests and make finding recipes, ideas for menus, and other resources related to your business easier. 3. Set goals and strategies. A social media marketing plan for food businesses must be specific and measurable. Goals should cover several key areas, such as increasing brand awareness, increasing website traffic, or reaching new leads. Strategies should be regularly updated to account for market changes and your company objectives. Tools can help you track your progress and make adjustments as needed. To combat this challenge, food businesses need to create comprehensive social media marketing plans with goals and strategies that are specific and measurable. The right tools will enable them to see how well their campaigns are performing and whether there is room for improvement in different target markets at any given time. This way, they can stay ahead of the competition by making quick decisions based on reliable data. 4. Conduct research. When it comes to social media marketing for your food business, you need to comprehensively understand the industry before starting any campaigns. You must also use social media with other marketing channels, such as print and digital advertising. Your goal should be to reach more people, and the right people, those who are likely going to purchase or eat your products. 5. Develop 2 or 3 tactics for each strategy. A social media marketing plan should be tailored specifically to the food business. Once you know your goals for the social media campaign, it is time to develop 2 or 3 tactics for each strategy. Tactics might include creating content, blogging, posting videos, etc. Scheduling posts around key moments, marketing events like national holidays, engaging with followers on specific topics, such as Taste of Home's favorite 5 ways to use garlic series, or running advertising through paid channels such as Google AdWords or Facebook ads. Here are some ways that you can use your social media calendar. Start by creating an overview of what you want to achieve with your posts. Build your post content draft in an Excel document or in your social media scheduling calendar. Add relevant social media hashtags. Post regularly to ensure your followers have the chance to view the posts. 6. Measure results and adjust as necessary. The most important measure you should take is the performance of your social media channels. This data should be tracked separately on each platform to get accurate and consistent information. 7. Continuously evolve your social media marketing plan. Food businesses have unique challenges and opportunities regarding social media, so your plan should be tailored specifically for your business. By following these steps, you'll be on your way to creating a comprehensive social media marketing plan that will help you reach and engage your target market.